Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something new. It's a new little series I want to do, and it's Throwback Thursday. So we're going to pick a palette that's not in production anymore, that I still love and have, and get a look from it, and maybe it'll energize you guys to look in your stash and see what palettes you have that aren't made anymore. And yeah, just kind of do something different. So today we're going to do the Urban Decay Vice 2 palette. I have only used this palette a couple times. So let's see what we can do with this today. It has 20 shades in it. This is what it looks like. So we're just gonna play around in here. And I think I'm gonna go into Habit first, which is like a little tannish color. My eyes are so discolored. We need to do something about that. I think I might do a blue look today, and it's for my dear friend Gina, who was telling me the other day why she doesn't wear blue eyeshadow, and it's really not what I go towards either, but you know what, now that I look at blues I think of Gina. So I love you, Gina. You're such a great person. Alright, so we're going to go into Rewind, which is just a little bit of a darker taupe, and we're going to put that in our crease. Or make that our transition color. See how well it works since my eyes are contaminated from other palettes today. Yeah, so I also did another new thing this weekend when I was filming, and it's kind of the Wants and Won'ts, and it's a spin-off of Monica AP's page. I will link that below, but it's just going like through Trend Mood's site and seeing, you know, what they have, what you like, that kind of stuff, what you're gonna buy, what you're not. Alright, I'm going to go into this shimmer blue right here called Madness. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do for my Gina Poo. Love you, Gina. Love you. I swear my fingers are just better at this. I should really I'll do my makeup with my fingers with no brushes. That would probably work out well for me. What do you guys think? I seem to put it all on with no brushes anyways. Oh, Gina, I really do think that you should try blue. Again, I'm gonna find Gina the perfect blue, and I'm gonna send it to her. Perfect. Gina, I got a package for you. I'm going to stick it in the mail on Monday. Monday. Alright, so I'm going to go into this, oh, excuse me, I dropped my brush. This darker blue, it's called Prank. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it, but I'm going to work that on the outside of my eye. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to go in with this Shell Shock color here. It's like a silver. It's a very silvery silver. I don't know. Ooh, it's pretty. So you have all this stuff and you forget you have it and you don't use it. And then you're like, when you do use it, you're like, oh, I know why I bought this now. The Vice palettes are some of my favorite palettes from Urban Decay. My poor eyes are so stained. Alright, now we're going to go into Prank. And we are going to... Ooh, we're going to let it kick up. we are going to put that in our crease in our outer corner, just to kind of blend things out a little bit. You're like, I can't see you. I want the mirror in your face. I can't see you. I can jump all over a palette like it's my job. See this powder from the eyeshadow? Alright, guys. We're going to put a little bit more of that Shell Shock on our finger and put it on our eyes to blend it out a little bit. Put a little bit of this under my eye. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Put a little bit of that in our outer corner. Or inner corner. Shit, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Drag it down. Ooh, that's bright. I always think I overdo my inner corner. I do. I know I do. But that's alright. The makeup, it comes off. It comes off if you don't like it. Put a little bit of mascara on. I tell you what, with this new Benefit mascara, I don't know why I would ever need lashes. Makes me want to keep my Urban Decay palette out. I don't reach for these palettes when I rotate my makeup every month. But I think I found some things I'm just going to have to rotate. Urban Decay was the first like high-end makeup I ever fell in love with. I have a special place in my heart. Urban Decay does. Me and my Alright guys, this is my look with the Urban Decay Vice 2 palette. Let's see. Little blue, little silvery white. So, I don't want to go that far out. You can see the edges of my stuff then. Alright. So, it made me have a new appreciation for my Vice 2 palette. I haven't used it in a long time. And I'm probably going to keep this out and do some more looks with it. So, hopefully this made you want to go back through your stash of palettes and see what you had and what you haven't used and all that. And if nothing else, this helps me know if I still want to keep it or I want to pass it on, because I'm running out of room. And I don't think my husband's going to let me move anywhere. But, oh well, right? If I don't want it, somebody else will. Oh, I got an itch. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see what I come up we'll see what I come up with next week for Throwback Thursday. Alright, thank you so much. Leave me some comments down below and let me know how you like this.